হ্যালো বন্ধুরা, আজকে ওয়াকিং দ্য ওয়ার্ল্ড থ্রু অ্যান ইনভেস্টমেন্ট লেন্স সিরিজে দুটো ইম্পর্টেন্ট টপিক আমরা ডিসকাস করব। ওয়ান ইজ গোল্ড অ্যান্ড সিলভার প্রাইস ওয়াজ গোয়িং অ্যারাউন্ড দ্য ওয়ার্ল্ড ইন দ্য মার্কেট. Second thing is AI spending. Yesterday, what happened to the Microsoft share? It plunged around 10 to 12%. At the same time, the Meta shares surged around 10 to 12%. So, what played out for Meta and what didn't for Microsoft, we are going to discuss about those things. Understanding the nuances would create a difference. I'm also going to share you what have I done with the Meta shares recently and what did I do with the Microshare long back. That's also going to be displayed. In my previous videos, I mentioned I would wait for a gold and silver pullback. I'm going to play that video. Should you buy gold and silver today? Now it become more speculative. For long term, it's always a good investment, but for the short term, it might correct. And I would personally wait for my next buy. And it also depends on how much I want to allocate to this investment. If you really need to understand what's happening with the Microsoft AI spending, it's more over a front-loaded investment. It's heavy capex. They are spending on GPUs and data centers, and they have a deal with the OpenAI investment as well. So, moreover, it's a monetizations or gradual monetizations, we can say. It means you invest now and earn later gradually. And now let's understand how Meta has been positioning itself differently than Microsoft and others. So we need to understand how Meta has been placing itself. Meta has a distinct advantage as AI is already embedded, deeply embedded into their existing ad platform. Better AI helps them lead the more targeted ad price, resulting into higher benefits, unlike the gradual return seen by the Microsoft. Now let me show you what I'm personally doing with Meta and Microsoft, right? So if I go back to my portfolio, you see I have bought a Meta call 2 3 months back, and currently I sold that one on 29th of Jan with $1,000 profit, right? I invested 6,500 around, and I sold it at 7,500 yesterday when it was picking up. So around like 15.32% return in 2 3 months, right? So this is the positions that I have taken a few months back along with Meta when Meta was going down, and I was really bullish on Meta. Right now, let me show you what I did with the Microsoft as well. Right, if you see like my Microsoft positions, right? So let me show you where it is here. So for a different reason, I was acquiring less Microsoft, but I have sold Microsoft um, uh, on 6th of Jan, right? So that time I have sold. Now it pulled back already, so I'm planning to make positions again. And another most important part is let's not always paint a rosy picture. As you know, market is going down and there is a drawdown. So let me show you, in a couple of days, this 1.60% drawdown happens. So that happens in the market, right? And if I just compare with the SP 500, so if I click on the YTD, you'll see SP 500 gained 1.80%, where this portfolio is gaining 4.004% as well. So few companies are playing long game, whereas Meta or other companies are able to monetize in a short period of time as well. If you want to know what personally I'm doing, my portfolios and other things are publicly shared. Follow the descriptions for more details. And as you know, the pullback has already happened for gold and silver, but I have not started acquiring it again personally. I'll release a note in my public domain, plus I'll release a short video as well. Until then, stay tuned. See you next time. Thank you.